Property Brokerage is presenting this rental close to the Esplanade Scarness. Embrace a carefree coastal lifestyle. Discover your new home that has just come up for rent. This lovely low-set 2-bedroom, single-bathroom brick home is situated at 298 Boat Harbour Drive Scarness. This home offers a blend of comfort and functionality. The interiors boast an array of inviting features. Step inside an open-plan living and dining area with an adjoining kitchen boasting a separate pantry, ample lower and upper cabinetry, and generous bench space for effortless meal preparation. Both bedrooms are roomy, bright, and well-ventilated. The main bedroom has air conditioning. The home also features an internal laundry and a good-sized family bathroom with a vanity and shower. Secure parking and storage are catered for with 2 off-road parking spots and a double steel garage, guaranteeing the protection of your belongings. The fully fenced backyard, offering privacy and adaptability, provides a safe haven for relaxation and children's play. Scarness is known as a family-friendly centrally located suburb. Residents enjoy a carefree lifestyle with easy access to essential amenities including shops, schools, sporting grounds, medical services, restaurants and nearby stunning beaches. Whether you're drawn by the weather, the beach, or the overall central convenience, Scarness has it all. Enjoy the coziness and practicality of this Scarness home's features that create a balanced and enjoyable central coastal living environment. This 2-bedroom home is an ideal choice for a variety of family types including singles, young couples, retirees or families with just 1 or 2 children. To view or find out more information, contact our property manager Lee Johnson on 0447 082099 or via email rentals@propertybrokerage.com.au. Hervey Bay houses for rent are in high demand, so be sure to act quickly to secure this centrally located gem.